Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how development mode works in HeroBot. Development mode is a very powerful feature that allows you to build your bot in isolation, such that your bot will only respond to you, being the admin of the bot. Also, this feature allows you to disable your bot whenever the development mode is enabled. Once disabled, your bot will not respond to non-admins. This gives you the ability to build and test your bot in isolation. To enable development mode, turn on the toggle button. Don't forget to click Save. Now, to make your bot respond to your users, you need to disable the development mode. There you have it. You have just learned how development mode works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.